Hi everybody, welcome to lesson 3 of week 2 of the PSA project. Hopefully recording and editing has gone well for you this week. We are going to talk about turning in your rubric today for your assignment. Hopefully your video is just about finished up, and then remind you guys about the due date. So, grading rubric. So in today's Schoology folder, you will see the PDF that is I'm going to use when I'm assessing your final video. Okay, so you're going to use this rubric to create the best video possible, as we talked about earlier. It is due by Friday at 11:59. You're going to put it into Notability, and you're going to leave an obvious mark. So you're either going to highlight it or circle the part that is relevant to you. Okay, so if you made it in the 2 to 3 minute mark, you are going to circle that little square. Okay, I'll show you on the screen as well. If you think you're 1 in a certain category, give yourself a 1. Be honest. Any category where you graded yourself a 1 or a 2, you're required to fill out the notes in to-do box on the far right. Okay, so it's just to help you say, okay, nope, I need to add another scene. I need to add this to the video. Everyone is required to create a list of things to do at the bottom of the rubric. Okay, so summary of your assignment expectations. Download the rubric, highlight and circle the boxes, and then don't forget about the things to do as well. All right, before we go back and look at that, remember that your due date is on Monday at 7:30 a.m. You must turn it in that morning. Okay, so you need to turn it in so that I can put you guys in a group, and then you guys will be able to watch each other's videos in the discussion post. You won't be able to see them if you do not get your video in. So there's 3 ways that you can share your video when you're done with it. So you can put it into YouTube and share that link. You can put it into Google Drive and share that link. You can post it straight to the discussion post from your camera roll. Make sure you are identifying your topic when you put your link in the discussion post. So paste your YouTube link and then say Yoga 101, just so that I know what the topic is for every single video. All right, if you need some iMovie and recording help, there are resources for you to do that. Okay, if we go back to this folder and we check out this PDF here, which is your assignment for today, it gives you the rubric. Okay, so let's say you're in this category right here. You circle it or highlight it, whatever you would like, whatever is relevant to you. Then you're going to go down here, circle, highlight whichever one's relevant to you. Circle whichever one is relevant to you. Okay, make sure you have 1 in each box here. Okay, so was it entertaining and engaging? Was there no hook? Okay, I probably need that one. If I had a 1 or a 2, remember you need to write something over here in the notes or to do. Okay, and then write down, everyone needs to write something down here about things to work on before submitting the video. And then make sure you guys get this done by Friday at midnight.